Hello everybody, welcome back to our video, and today we're gonna be on the ranch once again playing more Slime Rancher. So last video we did the best thing ever. We died. We did finish the game though, which was kind of cool, right? Yeah, pretty sure I finished the game because I read that message and then I stopped. So yeah, I finished the game yesterday, which was kind of cool-ish, but I died with a gilded ginger. It was a very, very sad day. Very, very sad. So this video, I don't know, I guess we're gonna be trying to get some, what are we trying to do? We're gonna be, getting the, I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. We're gonna be getting the, Mosaic slimes back because, last video I died with a bunch, which was sad. So, gonna be getting that back. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys there. It's very sad that I died, but so I'm gonna get these chickens real quick. Yeah, okay, chickens gotten. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you guys there, bye. By the way, guys, there is one thing. So, yesterday I said I was going to, I was gonna show you where the party Gordo is, but I didn't make the video. Oof, bad corn dog. Yeah, I wasn't able to get that video uploaded. So today, I promise I will, make the video of where the party Gordo is. Again, I hinted at before, I know it's in the moss blanket somewhere. Anyways, back to, finding the, mosaics. By the way, guys, there's a treasure pod here, like through these sort of vine stuff. Pretty sure it's the echo net. Just gonna tell you, because yeah, there's the echo net over there. So if you want a lot of echoes, you're welcome. So yeah, just kind of wanted to tell you that. So I'm almost at the glass desert. So yeah, let's just get over here. Okay. I still can't believe I died with the gilded ginger. One of the most rare things in this game. Like, that's a F. That's a fail right there. A big fail. But it happened. It was on camera. Yeah, I failed my challenge. Whatever, who cares? At least I completed the game, technically, and I didn't do, I didn't see the cutscene yet, but, yeah. Okay, now we're at the glass desert. Thank you very much. And now we have a portal. Let's go in. Don't tell me there was a firestorm. Nope, never mind, we're good. Thank goodness. I hate firestorms. Okay, well, let me find mosaic slimes now. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that there are a couple mosaic slimes that can be like near the end of the game somewhere. I could be wrong, possibly, I probably am, but let's see. There's probably a treasure pod down there or something. I'm not gonna check it out. I don't have a bunch of treasure crackers. And now there's a firestorm. Beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Firestorm, for ruining my day. I love firestorms. They just ruin your day so much. It's so amazing. Yeah. I truly, really do hate firestorms. Like, they're not that dangerous, but they're annoying as heck. They're so annoying, I don't even want to talk about it. That's how annoying they are. And we have a fire slim. Kind of like what I did to the puddle slime. Pew. Wasn't that exciting. Oh my. Oh my. Gosh, this seems like it's worse over here. Like, I don't know why, but sometimes, like, when I go over here, I feel like, and there's a firestorm, I feel like there's, like, the firestorm is, like, worse. Probably just me, though. I think it is me. No way. Is that just me, or do you hear? You hear that shining? Where is it? Dude, just eat a hen. Here, just stop. Eat a hen, not me. Do you hear that shining? Is that just me? Do you hear that? I thought I heard a light of shining. Turn up the volume. You can, like, hear a little shine. Probably gilded ginger. Sounds close by. It sounds really close. Where could it be? I know there's a gilded ginger. Oh! Can I get up? Please? I almost can smell it. Oh, I smell it. Yes. Where'd it go? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Well, now we have our gilded ginger back. Like everyone says, gilded gingers are hard to find, but when you watch my videos, you're just like, wow, gilded gingers must be really easy. Where they are? No. What? 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 2 gilded gingers. What? So guys, this blows my mind because I thought only 1 gilded ginger spawns in a slime rancher day. Dude, what? They have to, like, up the chances from, like, 1 to 1 million. That is crazy odds. Right? I've gotta be the luckiest slime rancher player in the world, right? Like, what? Yeah, I don't know why why are there actually so many gilded gingers? It's so weird. I don't understand. If I die with both of these, I'll be, I don't know, I'll probably break this computer. And probably delete my YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where the Mosaic slimes are. And I'll see you guys where the Mosaic, and find the Mosaic slimes. Where are they? Okay guys, so I'm pretty sure I found out where the Mosaic slimes are. So I can't do the Mosaic Gordo trick, which is a oof. But, yeah. Instead, I'm gonna be going to the, near the end of the game to find Mosaic slimes, so shouldn't be too hard, question mark? It's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Yeah, so pretty sure. Oh my gosh, I thought I saw a Mosaic sign there, but no, it's one of these guys. Ugh. So, real quick, just gonna take a little shortcut through here to try and find my way. And in case you guys don't know, I am extremely bad at following tutorials, so bear with me, please. Okay, so should be like down. Oh no. No, this is the wrong place. I'm looking for like it's hard to explain. You know, I'll find it someday. Yeah, somehow, someday. Oh, I found it. Okay, nice. So I guess I need to go through like a little hole. Where is it? Can't find it. So I'm gonna replace these stony hens with these silver parsnips because again it's a Mosaic slime's favorite. So I'm gonna be farming Mosaic slimes, which will be extremely good because it's 100 coins, which is also good. And obviously, and it's 100 coins. Okay, maybe I have to go through here. I am kind of following like this tutorial, and at the same time I'm kind of just like doing my own thing. Oh, here it is. Yes. No. Maybe so. Ow. I think there's like another hole I'm supposed to go through. Dude, this is so dumb. Oh, yes. And go here. And here, and right there. There should be Mosaic slimes. Eh? Hello? You're supposed to pop out. Yeah, where... Hello, Mosaic slimes? Come out, I have a silver parsnip. Dude. I've been scammed by a slime. Maybe they come out, like, the next morning? Why do I always get myself into this sort of trouble? You guys, can you come out? Why does it just glow? Yeah, maybe they only spawn in a day. Oh, shoot. Yeah, now I don't even know how to get out. Guys, I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna wait here for a bit. Okay, I've been waiting for too long. Yeah, they aren't coming out. I don't know. Well, I guess we won't be able to get Mosaic slimes today. Maybe. We might. I'm not sure. I really don't even know. Brief. Maybe I have to be far enough away and then they'll spawn in. I really don't know. I thought I was far away for long enough trying to find out where it is. Well, apparently not. Okay, let's just keep waiting here. For my sprint thingy-majiggy. Is that Mosaic? Oh my god. What? Looked just like a mosaic slime. Come on, you gotta admit, that looked like a mosaic, didn't it? That looks at least a little like a mosaic. Oh, dang. Come on, can I please? Hey, this is the place to finish the game again, yeah. Apparently we finished the game, so that's cool. Oh, my. No. Not with 2 gilded gingers on my hands, no. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get mosaic slimes today, guys. Unless I just wait here for a couple hours, real time, for the slimes to spawn in. I don't think we're getting it. Let's just... Yeah, here. Maybe there's too many slimes already? I don't know. I've been waiting way too long. Still no mosaic slimes. So still no mosaic slimes, but I was able to find out a cool glitch. So, see this rock here? Throw your face into it, boom, you have X-ray. Yeah, pretty cool glitch, but I'm just waiting years on end for a mosaic to come. And, yeah, I'm not having any luck. I'm getting rock slimes and stuff, but nope, no mosaics. So, I guess I should just... No! Gosh dang. Ah! I am so bad. I am so bad at this game. I don't... Let's take a look at this thumbnail. Yeah, I don't... Okay. Yeah, I guess it's time to go back. Again. I really can use a teleporter. I really can. Yeah, I can't believe I died with 2 gilded gingers. Like, every single episode, I try to do something, and I get it done, but then I die. I've made no progress in these last 2 videos, including this one. It's just, continuous cycling, going through to the glass desert and then back because I always die. Thank you very much, Mr. Teleporter. Time to go back to that place. You can tell I'm not happy. Gold ginger, thank you. I don't even know what is up with me getting all the gilded gingers in the game. Dude, Slime Rancher, if a creator of Slime Rancher is watching, lower the chances of gilded gingers dramatically. Please. Okay, well, let's go through here. Okay, we're heading in the cave, please. Oh, yes! Mosaic Slime's early risers! Yes! Yes! We found them! Oh, yes! Yes. I just noticed, I said if I was to die, last time, I would have delayed my channel and quit this. Yeah, no. I forgive Slime Rancher because it gave me Gilded Ginger and the 2 Mosaic slimes I needed. Let's go! So now I just need to find their favorite food. Again. I keep dying every second of my Slime Rancher life. Please. Okay, I'm up. Oh. I just think there might be, I think there's probably like, some sort of parsnips around here somewhere. Let me check. I think there might be one through here. Or not. Maybe here? No. Dude, no. I'm not gonna die with this. Not again. Oh, there. Okay, well, let me get rid of this blue echo, because... Yeah. So, parsnips, let's get out of this stupid place. And let's get money. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of money. Okay, head our way back. Oh, yes. Let's just go. Actually, ooh, don't die. Let's drop a mosaic. Okay, don't fall. And then, no! Oh my gosh. So real quick, I'm gonna drop these roosters, take the mosaic quartz. Oh my gosh, do they look beautiful? And I'm gonna plop them in there because eventually I'm gonna be able to unlock that water sort of thing, and everything's gonna look cool. I should probably just be getting home, but I'm risking it all. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, there we go. Is the water available now? No, I'm missing one. Who cares? I just need to get home alive. And with all my stuff. Because, well, stuff is important. Oh, I'm gonna get so rich thanks to these 2 mosaics. Oh, yes. This is gonna be a beautiful day. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Penguin. Wait, Roostro. Wait, Roostros are boys. They're all boys. Never mind. Okay, let's go through here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we are making it out alive. We're alive! This video is probably going to be like an hour long. Due to me dying and living, and dying and living. It's between life and death. Anyways. Come on, let's get up here. Get up! Beatrice, come on. Oh, thank you. Okay, just gonna slowly but steadily waddle my way up here. Go, 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 go. Oh, Firestorm's gone. That's nice. And we go through here. There we go. Nice. Okay, now we go through the portal, and then we put these mosaic slimes in a corral, and then we have a happy life. being a millionaire. For all the money I'm gonna get, I'll be filthy, very filthy rich. Some stuff. And we're home alive. Oh gosh. Well, we're alive. We are actually alive. We are home alive. We are home here alive. Wow. Okay, put this gilded ginger inside of its thingy-majiggy. And where am I gonna put these mosaic signs? That's the real question. I think I know. Yeah. Gonna just demolish. No, remove props, not demolish the whole plot. No corn dog. A boom chicka boom boom. Whoa. That was weird. What on earth? What kind of going out? Nice. Okay, we have a lot of carrots here. Okay, what am I gonna do with all these carrots? The world may never know. Okay, let's just demolish this whole plot. Yeah, there we go. Then we get a corral. And then high walls. Internet. Definitely gonna need a port collector. Let me sell some. Let me sell some ports. Oh no! Why did I think that was a smart idea? Clearly, my brain is the size of a walnut. Actually, walnuts are big. Never mind, my brain's the size of a pea. No, smaller. Okay, nice. There we go. This should be enough to afford a port collector. That'll be nice. This is probably going to be one of my longest videos in my channel. Probably gonna be. But I'm not quite sure. I don't know how long my video is. Ouch. Prices are still so darn low. Boom ports are even going down. What? That's crazy. But mosaics are going up? What? What? Oh, wow. Music box? Sure, they deserve it if they're gonna make me rush. Okay, now, these mosaic slimes do not eat, a matter of fact. What am I gonna make them? Like, what Gordo am I gonna make these mosaic slimes? Mosaic honeys? Oops. Oh, we have mosaics. Eat. Okay, nice. Well, I actually don't think making mosaic honeys. What should I make? Mosaic. An error has occurred. Mosaic tabbies? I don't know. Sure, let's do mosaic tabbies. We're definitely gonna do mosaic tabbies. 100%. Yep, Rooney. Okay, well, we have some tabby quartz over there. So, oh my gosh. So many mangoes. Real quick, let's just feed these guys. They're starving. And I don't want them to be sad. These guys are happy even though they're probably starving. What? I guess they're full. Okay, well, these guys can continue to eat whatever they want. Yeah. That's how you get rid of your mangoes, guys. Okay, so let's get these tabby quartz. I don't need that many, but whatever. I can sell the rest. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, they're making fire already. Oh, that looks so weird. What? Dude, that looks weird. I'm turning that off. I'm turning that off, definitely. Yeah, let's go through here. Secret steals. Because that's totally what it's called. Mosaic. Change style. Classic. Because shattered is no. It reminds me of the time I shattered glass. And it went inside of my foot. I don't know. Okay. Well, now we have that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. So we need more mosaic slimes. Oh, we need some tabby slimes. We need some tabby slimes. So we can get tabby mosaic Gordos. So yeah. My gosh, this actually is probably going to be the longest video I've ever created. Probably going to be the longest video in my whole YouTube career. Okay, carrots for everybody. I really don't need all these carrots, so that's why I'm just eating them. Goodbye, Mr. Carrots. Yeah, a bunch of Mr. Carrots. I don't even know. Come on. Oh, tabby slimes. Tabby slimes, there they are. Give me the tabby. Come here. No, I need chickens. No, give me the chickens in the tabby slimes. I need chickens for a chicken coop, and I need a chicken coop because I need chickens. Obviously. Okay, well, we have 2 tabby slimes. That is definitely not enough, so... Have some carrots, everybody. Yep, there we go. Tabby slime. Need to get more tabby slimes. Tabby slimes. Tabby. Oh, hello. What? I just turned into a Gordo, like, the second I tried to vacuum him up with my vacuum cleaner. Oh no, Tar. Oh, hi, Mr. Tar. How are you doing today? You can just go fall in a river. Sometimes I decide not to help the slimes because it's their fault for eating the quartz. You know, it's not my fault, and therefore it's not my problem. Man, I mean. Yeah, there are too many Tar, and this Mr. Slime Rancher person, potato thingy, corn dog thingy, is not gonna die from something that's on the side of a road. Or something that's on a road. Because, yeah, tar is what concrete is made out of. I think. If not, oh my gosh. Okay. Let's take this Q battery back home, I guess. Along with the tabby slimes that I need. That's literally why I went out here. We also have some hens. Hen, yes. No, these foster slimes are getting inside. That's kind of bad. Okay. Go inside, you tabaways. Okay, we have 2 mosaic quartz. Okay, tabby slime. Eat the mosaic, yes. Eat the beautiful mosaicness. I think tabby slimes are cool. I can't wait to get the secret style tiger thing for tabby slimes. I like tigers. I think they're kind of cool. Why is there a normal carrot? There are no normal carrots here in my garden. Actually, this is garden, so I don't know what I'm even talking about. Okay, well, nice. Let's sleep till the next morning. Sleep until morning. And it's morning. And these guys are literally lit up fire. They're lighting this place on fire. Okay. Get these silver parsnips. I don't want the regular carrots. I want the parsnips. Yes. Give me money. I actually am not getting very many. This is kind of sad. Okay, let's put a couple mosaic quartz back for actually, hey you! Ow! I need to get more health or otherwise I'm gonna die, like I always do. Okay, let's see here. I don't have enough. I am poor. I love being poor. Not really, but, take some tabbies of the quartz. Oh my goodness. Mosaics are so much. They are actually so much. It's crazy. Okay, I think my boom slimes are angry because they do not have any food. And if I don't feed them in a hurry, they're gonna starve to death. They don't actually starve to death in this game. They only just get really angry and then try to blow you up. Yeah, eat up. Dude, the pork collector can't even handle all the porks in there. Ow. Pork. I hope you like the sound of this, because you're gonna hear a lot of it. I really can't trust myself with a mosaic plort while collecting boom plorts, because I'm afraid I'm gonna throw the mosaic plort inside of the boom place, and you know what happens then. Gulp tar. Oh, actually, these things are pretty high. Nice. There we go. 2,000 and about 2,000 coins. Yeah. Maybe I should do some more send you rewards club things because, like, I think, like, if I get, like, enough of them, I could start getting, like, a slime trophy, and the more you do, the bigger it gets. Sounds like a Pop the Pig commercial. Nice. Okay, time to put these honey port. Actually, real quick, I'm gonna see what's next on the 70 Rewards Club. An arch upgrade? Ooh, that'll look cool, I think. And if it doesn't, well, yeah, I don't know what to say. That's a lot of ports. That's a lot of money. Nice. That's a lot of money. Okay, Star Mail real quick. Africa. You go to Africa? Cool. Okay, 70 Rewards Club. There we go. I don't have enough new bucks. I am now poor-ish. Not too poor. I have a couple. 3,000 minus coins. Ow. Ow. So what should I do now? I should probably end this video. That's probably what I should do. But I'm not, because, yeah. Real quick. Yeah, now I have 200 health. Let's go. Okay, well guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see videos like, like this long again, tell me in the comments. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys. We got mosaics. That's beautiful. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. I don't even know what that ending was, but yeah, bye.